Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. And today I am posting a video, this video, for the July subscriber giveaway. So you just have to be one of my subscribers to enter. Over 18, of course. Just write in the comments below that you would like to enter the contest. Right below this video, and I will pick the winner on the 7th or the 8th. What we do is we just write all the little names down, put them in a hat or a jar or a bowl or something, mix them all around, and randomly pick the winner. So everybody has a chance to win. So if you'd like to win, this is the prize for July. It is, I don't know if you can see it, a sketchbook. It is a sketchbook, however, and it's not ruled pages. It has this nice little cute tie, which I think is so neat. It just has regular pages, and they're actually quite thicker than most tablets. I don't think you could paint on it, but definitely probably watercolors if you laid a piece of wax paper in between until it dried and so forth. Or you can even write down your notes. You know, it does say journal on the back. It is an Artist Loft brand. So this is the giveaway for the month of July. So just make a little comment below. I do appreciate all my subscribers, and that's one reason why I do a monthly giveaway. And looking for more. I need to get to that 500 mark now. So don't forget to like and share and thumbs up. Thank you so much for subscribing. Good luck to all of you. And I will announce the winner on the 7th or 8th of July. Talk to you soon. Good luck. Bye-bye now.